how to change email address on Facebook. In order to change email address on your Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and launch Facebook app. Then tap the three lines option located at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap the gear icon located at the top right. Once you're here, tap on Meta Account Center. Once you tap on Meta Account Center, tap on Profiles. Then just select your Facebook profile here, and then here you can change the name, username. Now in case you don't find the option to change your email over here, you just want to come back again. Then you go to the option known as Personal Details. Here you can see Contact Info, tap on it, and then just make sure to go ahead and tap on your email address. Make sure to select a new email that you want to use here. Once you've done that, just go ahead and then verify the email address and you should be good to go. This way you'll be able to change email address on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.